Welcome to our metal roof installation journey in Tampa, Florida. We're starting with the demolition of the old roofing system. Look at all this debris. It's crucial to clear the area. Our team is preparing the rock and the building for a new roof. We have people on site making sure everything's ready. Here you can see our crew in action, making sure the structure is sound and the new roof can be installed. The old roofing system was white and it's amazing to see the transformation. The new metal roof is installed and it looks fantastic. Hope you enjoyed the process.